I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars beta. Accessing beta versions of games like Brawl Stars can be an exciting way to experience new content early. However, it is important to understand that beta access is typically restricted and not always available to everyone. We will go over the official methods and best practices to help you stay informed and potentially gain access to future beta opportunities. Let's dive in. Supercell, the developer of Brawl Stars, frequently uses a soft launch strategy for new game versions. This means they release the beta in a few specific countries first, gathering feedback before a wider launch. To stay informed, make sure to join the official Brawl Stars Discord server, where announcements are often made. Additionally, following Supercell's official social media channels, such as X and Facebook, is crucial for real-time updates and potential invitations. To maximize your chances of gaining beta access, consistently check the official Brawl Stars website for any news or announcements regarding upcoming tests. Engaging with the Brawl Stars community forums can also be beneficial, as information and discussions about beta opportunities often appear there. Furthermore, always ensure your current Brawl Stars game is updated to its latest stable version, as this might sometimes be a prerequisite for beta participation. It is important to remember that beta versions are still under development. This means you might encounter bugs, glitches, or features that are not yet fully polished. Also, any progress you make, such as unlocking brawlers or earning trophies, might not carry over to the final public release of the game. Finally, always be cautious of unofficial websites or individuals claiming to offer beta access, as these are often scams or phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.